Hunter X-Core program timing. Usually you leave it to run. That's the automatic. We're going to look at start times. Program A is set for 8 a.m. We're going to hit the program button and go to program B, which is currently off for station 1. We actually want that off for station 1, and on 2 we want a start time. Oh no, wait, see, it's very confusing. So we're actually going to go to 1 because we're on start times. So it's going to be start time 1 is going to be, well, the other one's, A is on 8 a.m. We're just going to do this for 8 a.m. also, and it'll run through A and then it'll go through B. It goes in order because it's a slightly smart computer like that. Difficult as it is to manage through the buttons, but we got so now we have start time 1 on program B. The start time is 8 a.m. start time. Alright, so then we're going to go to the run times. So station 1, see this is program, we're on program B. We're going to look at, we don't need C, we're going to look at A. So this is the run time for station 1 is 4 minutes, is the run time for station 1 on program A. Run time. So on program B, station 1 run time is 0. We're going to station 2 run time on program B is 6 minutes. And also station 3 run time on program B is currently 0. We're going to put that to also, let's see, that's going to be the little pots. They don't need, actually they need to be on program C. We're going to put those on program C because they only need a little bit. And this is larger plants that need more water less often. And the little pots need a little bit of water more often. So it's a different type of programming we're going to put on program C. So let's actually do that right now. Program C for runtime of, this is the runtime for the little pots upstairs. We're just going to put them on I think 2 minutes should be good. And we'll do those water days. Jumping around here a little bit. Hope you can keep up on program C. The days, water days for program C are currently all off, but we're going to go Monday. We're going to turn on Wednesday, and you can see the icons change from the line through them to the no circle line through them. So we're going to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 2 minutes on the little pots upstairs for the water days on program C. And then, let's see, I don't know if we finished B. B, all the water days for program B are currently off. We're going to do Monday, and we're going to water, oops, go back, Thursday. Follow what I did, plus and minus to turn them on or off for the day, and the arrow keys to go back or forward through the week to turn the days on or off. Currently we have for program B, Monday and Thursday are on program B for the water days. Alright, I hope that made sense. If not, it's a video so you can watch it a million times. And happy gardening.